Hello everybody, this tutorial about orthomosaic aerial photo. Very simple, just click in here, add photo, workflow and add photo. This is raw data from Phantom 4. Control Alt and open. Before you running, I recommend to check your photo and then like this model, check like this, back in model. The how to delete, yes, remove with this, remove is not good angle, remove like that. This is for just sample, so I'm not using all this photo. And after that you can running this data with lighten photo, accuracy, height or medium, and okay, waiting process. Okay guys, it's done. You can check is reset and then build mesh. You can this step, but actually I'm not using this tool for calculate the DEM. So I just using this. I just using one see visual aerial photo. It is not run. Yeah, checklist, good. Put mass and okay. Down and workflow and before put automosaic save, because when you put automosaic with the save you can like this. So save project, mm, mm, save, oh, your mass. You can view like it to delete camera, to hide camera, and then the pass geographic and okay, waiting again. Okay, done. For the last, export the orthomosaic. Yeah, after this put orthomosaic, export orthomosaic JPEG or another type style. Diff, diff, and okay, save. Waiting again. Okay, after done, we can check in our GIS. This is a SAP with coordinate system, and then we check in here latihan. Okay, if add data, this data in here, right click and zoom to layer. Yeah, good, done. So done. This is a aerial photo, mosaic photo. Yeah, this result. Very good. Yeah, okay, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.